Class 9 children, today we will start a new chapter, Introduction, Data and Frequency Distribution, chapter 14. So I have taken question number 6. Let us start. The following are the monthly rents in rupees. So rent, that means it's money. Money means in rupees. Okay. Of 30 shops. 30 shops, they give some monthly rent. So the data has been given here. So let us start. There is a shop which pays 42 rupees monthly rent, 49 rupees, 37 rupees, 82 rupees, 37, 75. It goes on and it goes on and here 31. That means there are 30 shops. You can count the number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 shops. So 30 data are there. But you might be saying that, sir, monthly rent at a very cheaper rate. You have to imagine it. It is an imaginary question. It could have been like 1000, 2000, but they have given in a very low rate. But it can be. So you just imagine it. It's an imaginary question. It's not possible that in such a lower rate you get monthly rent. But you can imagine and do this question using the class intervals of equal width, in which one class interval being 40-50, 40 to 50, excluding 50. Now I will make you understand what is 40 to 50 and excluding 50. When I will start the exercise solution, I will start there. So construct a frequency table for the above data. Now you might be saying, what is frequency table? So what I am going to show you is a frequency table. So frequency table consists of 3 columns. First column is named as class interval. Second column is named as tally mark. And third column is named as frequency. Now class interval we take from the question 40 to 50. Now 40 to 50 means one of the class interval is 40 to 50, but you can see I have begun from 30 to 40. Now you might be asking, sir, how to understand from where to begin and where to end? Then let me tell you, from this 30 datas, which is the least value, first you need to check. So once you start checking, the least value in this data is 31. And now you might also you also should inquire, what is the highest value, sir? Then I can say you, if you very keenly see the values, then as per my knowledge here 84 rupees is the highest value. So from the least value 31 and from the highest value we have to make this class interval. Now one of the class interval is 40 to 50. That means doesn't mean you have to begin from here. Like you might be asking, sir, why did you begin from 30 to 40? Least value is 31. So I will say you, as 40 and 50 they are the multiple of 10. So all the class intervals should be multiple of 10, and there is a width of 10. 40 to 50 means there is a width gap of 10 numbers. So similarly 30 to 40 also should be of the same gap. So 30 to 40 is of the 10 gaps, that is the width of 10. Here also width of 10. And why I began from 30? Because my least value is 31. So 31 comes in this slab. Had it been 29 the least value, my slab would be 20 to 30. I hope you could understand now. Now 30 to 40, all that information's data you have to count which comes between 30 to 40. But don't take 40. That means take from 30 to 39. Why? Because excluding 50 means don't take 50. Similarly 30 to 40 means excluding 40. From this part we have to understand for all the class intervals. So you count those numbers which comes from 30 to 40 but excluding 40. So let us begin. Like I can say 37 comes in that slab, 30 to 40 slab. So 1, this is 2, 3, 4, because 39 comes 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers which comes in the slab of 30 to 40. So I wrote 6 in the frequency. So in the frequency, I should write the total numbers in the frequency column. And tally mark, what we do, as there are 6 numbers in 30 to 40 slab, so I will make a line like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 we should cut, and this is 6. So after 4, for the 5 we cut, and 6 comes here. Now 40 to 50 there are 8 numbers. So you can say 40 to 50 means don't take 50. So now 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, not 5, this will not come, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, as there are 8 numbers, but I missed out somewhere else, children. So once again let me count. 40 to 50 will be 8. I have already done this, so let me once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had missed out, so I can see now 8. For 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 we cut, and 5, 6, 7, 4, 5 we cut, to 6, 7, 8. So 50 to 60 there are 3 numbers. You can see here there are 3 numbers from 50 to 60, but don't take 60. 60 to 70 there are 4 numbers, but don't take 70. 70 will come in this slab. 70 to 80 there are 6 numbers. 80 to 90 there are 3 numbers. And tally mark, always for the 5 we cut, and then write like this, 6 like this. So very easy, children. Like 30 to 40, if I will not take 40 here, 40 will come in this slab. 40 to 50 means I will not take 50, but 50 will come in the third slab. 50 to 60, if I will not take 60, 60 will come here. And similarly 70 will come here and 80 will come here. So excluding means don't take that part. So children, now you can count all these columns. Here you can also write summation of f, and definitely it will be 30. Now you can count also 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 6, 27, 27 plus 3 is 30. So as this is a rent of 30 shops, so 30 numbers are there, and at the end our frequency column also we get 30. That means we have done correctly. Had it been more than 30 or less than 30, we would understand somewhere else we have made counting mistake, so we can clarify our mistake. But when this is correctly coming here, then we understand that we are correct. So very easy chapter, children. So first one class interval, second one tally mark, and third one frequency. And class interval 30 to 40 means this is a lower limit, and 40 is called upper limit. 30 is lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, and gap will be called width. There is a width of 10. So that way we have to understand. So children, interesting chapter. Please see my video again and again and try to learn. And please, whenever you have any doubt, you can personally contact me in my WhatsApp number, or even you can call me. Thank you, children.